Let's learn A to Z. A, red egg, A for apple, ha 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 ha. B, blue egg, B for ball, ha 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 ha. C, pink egg, C for cat, ha 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 ha. D, green egg, D for dog, ha 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 ha. E, red egg, E for elephant, ha 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 ha. F, blue egg, F for fish, ha 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 ha. G, green egg, G for giraffe, ha 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 ha. H, yellow egg, H for hen, ha 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 ha. I, blue egg, I for insect, ha 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 ha. J, red egg, J for jellyfish, ha 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 ha. K, green egg, K for kangaroo, ha 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 ha. L, yellow egg, L for lion, ha 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 ha. M, red egg, N for monkey, ha 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 ha. N, blue egg, N for nest, ha 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 ha. O, green egg, O for owl, ha 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 ha. P, yellow egg, P for parrot, ha 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 ha. Q, red egg, Q for queen, ha 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 ha. R, blue egg, R for rabbit, ha 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 ha. S, green egg, S for swan, ha 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 ha. T, red egg, T for tiger, ha 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 ha. U, blue egg, U for unicorn,